Alright guys, so I just got the Jeffree palette. Today is my first time getting a Jeffree palette. And look, it came like this. So I'm unboxing it. Okay, let's see. This is the Orgy palette. Ooh, so cute. So cute. Okay. Okay, let's see. I'm recording with one hand, so I gotta. Okay. Oh, he looks cute. He looks cute. Ooh, girl, shut the hell up. No cussing. No cussing. Oh, I can't wait to do a video on this. Let's see. Let's see. They say it. They told me that I did this girl's nails the other day. That his palettes are super creamy, that you don't even need primer to use them. Damn, driving all crazy. But okay, let's see. Let me chop the booby trap. Dang, it already looks super pigmented. Dude, I can't do it with two. Let's put it on my neck. What the hell, dude? I can't wait to do a face. I had to do it because I had to hold my hand with my one hand. But let me tell you. Okay, guys. Future. I'm gonna do a review on this video. Okay, guys. See you later.